Hi guys, John, Jim, and David here today with petroleumservicecompany.com, and we're here to talk to you about another application we found for our great product, undercoating in a can, and that's on RVs.
Behind us here, this is my 2014 Georgetown Class A motorhome manufactured by Forest River. And now 2 years into it, now I climb up underneath, and now you really see the corrosion that's going on the coach frame itself. Right. And something needs to be done about it, and I think other people who are in a similar situation, whether it be travel trailers, whether it be Class A motorhomes, I think they need to be getting underneath and checking their frames and see if they have the same type of issues.
And that kind of makes sense, I guess. Like you said, if you're out at the campground, you're not going to have air compressors or anything like that, but you could have
the convenience of an aerosol can, right? And that's why it is great for the motorhome. We sell this in all different sizes, bulk and all that stuff for large fleets. But for the RVer, this is perfect. They buy a case of cans, you keep them in the back of your RV, and then anytime you're out there, you're leveled up, you got your suspension, you can climb underneath there, easy spray, touch up, and it's an easy out to go ahead and provide years of great protection.